I'm John Stephany with Madison College, and I'm here to talk to you about how to caulk. We're going to start this video by talking about the different kinds of caulks and the different kinds of tools and equipment we'll need to do the caulking. First, let's talk about the tools we'll need. Of course, you'll need a caulk gun. There's many different styles, but they all do the same thing. When you squeeze a lever, they push the shaft out and push a caulk out of the caulk tube. You can spend anywhere from $3 to $30, and generally the amount of money spent is going to tell you the quality of the tool you're going to get. If you're not a professional, if you find something in the $5 to $10 range, you'll find an adequate caulk gun. You'll need a utility knife as well. You use that to cut the tops of the caulk tubes. You'll also want a fair amount of paper toweling around for cleanup and for helping keep your hands clean. And with some guns, you'll also need a wire, because inside of caulk tubes there's often a little piece of foil that seals it, and once you cut it, you actually need to puncture that seal with a long wire. Now let's talk about the caulks themselves. Depending on the store you go to, you'll see 5, 10, or 15 different brands. The most important thing is getting the right caulk for what you're doing. If you're working in a tub or in a bathroom, you'll want to get a tub or tile caulk. Also, if you're working on the exterior with windows or brick, you'll want to get a caulk that is better for the exterior. Keep in mind that generally the amount of money you spend on a tube is going to tell you the general quality. Better caulk is going to range somewhere in $5 to $6 a tube. The less expensive caulks, which don't hold up quite as well, will usually be between $2 to $5. Acrylic latex is a typical caulk that'll be less expensive and is great for caulking trim to the wall or things that you're going to paint. It's very paintable and it sets up quickly and works great. However, I wouldn't want to use this to seal a door or in my bathroom. Another type of caulk, a mid-range one, is caulks like this that have multi-uses, and they'll often say right on the instructions what their uses are. This caulk can be worked inside and outside, and you can match the color they have on the tube, and this can be used in the bathroom and on the exterior. These types of caulks will range anywhere from $3 to $5 a tube. If you're working on the exterior, you can get a much better window and door caulk. They'll typically be a little more expensive. They have many more colors, and oftentimes the color will have a swatch on it like so. They're specifically made for windows, doors, and siding. These are the best for the exterior. You definitely want to use a caulk that's rated for that on the exterior. So now you know the different kinds of tools you need and different kinds of caulks there are. You're ready to go to town and start caulking.